Hey guys, Spencer Kaufman here with How To Video Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to mix up a mosquito and other bug repelling formula to spray around your house, in your grass, on your plants, in your flower beds, along your wood line, wherever, anywhere that can repel mosquitoes, bugs, and other annoying insects. So it's really very simple. Get your hose end sprayer and a 1 cup measuring cup, dish soap, and ammonia. Make sure they are both a lemon or a citrus scent. So we have lemon scented ammonia, and then we have orange scented dish soap. Now you could get lemon scented dish soap or orange, either one. I would go with the lemon if you can, but we have orange right here. Then it's really simple. Open up the hose end sprayer. Now this is a 20-gallon hose end sprayer, which means that you can set your setting. I put it on 4 ounces. That means 4 ounces of liquid that we mix up is going to go out of this through your hose per gallon of water. And that's what I find to work the best. I like to coat it a little heavy, so you might need to mix up 2 cups of each and put it in there. But that's the formula. 1 cup of dish soap. Fill it right up to the top. I don't quite fill it full, but I'll give it a little extra shot in there. So 1 cup of dish soap. And then 1 cup of lemon scented ammonia. Be careful, do not breathe the ammonia. It can take your breath away. It is harmful. So I'm not going to fill it all the way full because I don't want to spill it, but I'm going to throw a little shot in there as well. And then pour that in. And there you go, you're all done. So now, put the cap on. Hook that end up to your hose, pull the trigger, and you'll be spraying 4 ounces of our solution per gallon of water. So you can see here, we aren't quite half full. If you have a larger lawn, what I'd maybe do is mix up 2 cups of each or 3 cups of each, and then you would be able to spray a lot more. So that is it. That is how to mix up a bug and insect repelling formula that you can use to keep away the mosquitoes around your lawn. If you have any questions, please comment below. Also, if you have any suggestions or other comments, put them below. I hope you subscribe to this channel. We've got a lot more great videos on lawn care and tonics that you can use to help improve your outdoor life. So hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and stay tuned to future videos. Thank you.